Do you spend time each year trying to learn pertinent information about each student that perhaps previous teachers might already know? Are you wondering what has been tried with a student to support their success? Every child has a story, and WeCollab is designed to ensure every student has a historical, comprehensive profile that follows them, from grade to grade and school to school. Student programming notes can quickly be populated by teachers to identify key details about a student. Student profile text boxes contain important details that provide information when planning for the student. The student card icons, entry-level status, and tiers of support provide insight about the student with respect to specific focus areas. Supports and actions can be reviewed for what is currently taking place, as well as what has happened in the past. Student assessment information, if recorded in the student data area within WeCollab, can provide evidence to inform the entry-level status and demonstrate growth over time. Schedule a conversation to learn more about the capacity to capture every child's story and ensure no details are lost.